Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to take super detailed 200 megapixel photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, firstly, let's open camera on the phone. You can do it simply by swiping left if you have this widget installed on the lock screen. But if not, just unlock the phone and find the camera in the menu. Great, now open the camera and let's change the resolution. Look at the screen. You are currently at 12 megapixels. Tap on that number to open the resolution settings menu, just like this. And now, from the menu, select 200 megapixels. So let's do it now. Great. This will allow you to take photos with maximum quality. And let's test it by taking a photo. Just click this button to take a photo and let's see it in the gallery. So, let's see how detailed it is. Wow, that's really impressive. It is really detailed. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.